Why?
SM.
SM?
Yeah, SM mall.
I thought like boat. Like yacht.
Ah, you like a shape?
Yeah.
No, it's a SM mall. Before we'll go there for grocery.
Ah.
The car parked there.
Ah.
It's here, over there.
Car near.
Yeah, over there.
Only there, yeah. Kuya, I talked to my mom, so you can bring your motorbike, huh? I tell Mama, Kuya could bring his motorbike, please. After she say, you will ride. I say, me no ride. After me, we go far, you let me ride, huh?
Yeah.
You teach
if
me.
if you see if you bother you, it's okay. Okay, you can go right. Yeah.
No, because if you tell my mom I will ride, she will say, don't let Najid ride. She don't allow.
Mm.
One time I drive because one time I drive manual, I fall.
Mm.
I got maybe 30 and I fall.
Mm-mm.
I don't know how to do.
Nope. Go, double time. Nakakatakot na magtumawid dito. Ito yung coastal road. Yan. Ito yung pa SM Mall, Davao, Ecoland.
For your Facebook?
Ha?
For your Facebook?
Yeah. I will show there. Ito yung kasama ko, guys, oh.
My
Ito yung kasama ko, nahirapan ako mag-English nito kasi nanunusblade na.
no, sige. I understand, ha? Ikaw, ako,
Oh.
wala speak Bisaya.
Yeah, so Bisaya.
Ikaw, make
Diba?
follow about me, ha?
Huh? Sabi, he said, this is my cousin.
I don't
It's
know
very
English.
no, it's good. Okay, it's my car. Okay, salamat. Ito na. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You told you will make video with my phone.